Hello, my name is Randy Ripke. I'm the developer of TASbillerCloud. The following video will help explain features of the program. If you have any questions, please feel free to email or call. I hope you enjoy your use of TASbillerCloud. Hello, this is Randy Ripke, the developer of TASbillerCloud. Today we'll be talking about customer utilities. These are located on the ribbon menu under Utilities for Customers, and there are several options. These options have been purposely put in a separate place from customer file maintenance because the functions listed here, such as deleting customers and changing account numbers, we don't want to happen by accident. So I purposely want you to come to a separate menu with a separate set of options when performing these functions. We're going to go through each one at a time. Going into customers, I can see my list of customer accounts. We're going to start by changing an account 4009, Dr. Smith, to 4010. Let's say I added him as 4009 by accident and meant to make him 4010. People also use the change account number field for deleting accounts and moving them to a different account number, say 4009, just for reporting purposes. For this example, we're going to change 4009 to 4010. So I go into Utilities, Customers, Change Account Number. The account number I want to change is 4009, and it's confirming with me the name and the type of account that we have and the new account number. Now say I put an account number in that already exists, it will prompt me and say that that number is already in use. So we're going to change this to 4010, which I know isn't in use. And it prompts to confirm the change was made. We can close all of this, and going back to our customer records, we now see that Dr. Smith is now on account 4010. Now let's say we want to copy an account to make a new one. This happens every so often. I have a new customer come along and they're, say, a different office with the same primary corporate entity. So all the billing information, contact information, rate plans, what have you are the same. It's just a different location now and a different account number in my system. So I'm going to copy a customer. So let's say 4004 is opening a new office, and I'm going to call it 4011. Oops, 11, and it's prompting me for a new name. I'll perform the copy function. Again, the confirmation appears, so I can close out of this. And when I return to customer maintenance, I now see I have an account 4011, and if I look at this account, all of the information from the Summary tab, the Options tab, and the Rate tab have copied successfully from the original account 4004. Now there is no payment history or charge history copied, only these first three tabs with the basic information. So now all I have to do is change whatever contacts I need to or phone numbers, and I'm ready to go. The next example will be deleting an account. See, I have account 4100 and I want to delete it from the system for some reason. Utilities, Customers, Customer Delete, account 4100. It's going to prompt me with the name of the customer, if they have a balance, and the account type. If everything looks okay, I can delete that account, and again a confirmation appears. And now when I go back to customer maintenance, account 4100 is no longer with us. Now let's say I just did that by accident, and I want to bring 4100 back. I didn't mean to delete them. So Customer Restore will allow me to see recently deleted accounts. There's 4100. I can choose to restore that account. Again, a confirmation appears. And when I return to customer file maintenance, I see 4100 has been added back into my active customer list. The next options are regarding sub-accounts, and this has to do with attaching or detaching a sub-account. So say I have a primary account, in this case, let's say account 4010, Dr. Smith, and I want to make him a sub-account of account 4004. So using the utility, I can go into customer maintenance, customer sub-account attach, choose the account I want to attach, and then the account that I want to attach it to, and we're going to make it a bill on master. And I can choose attach, and again a confirmation appears. Now when I return to my customer listing, account 4010 has disappeared from the main list, but if I go into account 4004 on their rate tab, I now see 4010 as a sub-account now of 4004. Now conversely, if I want to detach a sub-account and make it into a regular standalone account, let's say I just did that 4010 by accident, I can go into utilities, customers, and I'm going to detach a sub-account. So I choose 4010, and it prompts me with the information about that account, and select detach. Again, the confirmation appears. Account 4010 is now available as a regular account and not a sub-account. And that concludes customer utilities. Thank you.